Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where keyboard is typing backward in Windows 11, then please watch this video. It can have countless reasons, so we will start with it one by one. Search for MRT in the Windows search bar and click on this run command here. This is the malware removal tool, so we are going to isolate the case with malware. Click on next, full scan, next, next. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then you can go to the time and language tab, select language and region in the right pane, and then make sure that English United States is at the top. Now to bring any language at the top, you have to click on these three dots here and move it up. Usually you will have English United States in the list, because if that is not the case, then the issue would be a very different one. Okay, now after this, the next solution will be to perform a clean boot on your system, because there are a lot of third-party applications that can cause this problem. To isolate this case, we will search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and click on system configuration. Click on services. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If other services are also checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart the computer. If this doesn't help, then perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Now it needs a very long time to work, so you will have to minimize it and let it continue. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.